Practice swing muna. Practice swing muna. Okay. Oh. There. Ay, that's batok-tok eh. Oh, practice swing again. Okay, okay, go. Concentrate ka para hindi ka nababatok-tok. There you go. Straight, like an arrow. Alright. Huh? Kasi sometimes you don't concentrate eh. Once you move your head, yan na, batok-tok na, o kaya grounded. Oh, wala. Batok-tok yun. You gotta hit the grass. Oh, batok-tok na naman. Oh. There, okay, na bola. What number is that? Like. Huwag mo na. Practice swing. Okay, go. Go, next. Go, miss. Okay. Concentrate, huh? There you go. Alright. Trick. Okay. What's next? 9 iron. Alright. You're almost done. After that, you can go to sleep na and rest. Okay. Ulit. Tamaan pala ka ng grass. Yes. If you don't hit the grass, you're not gonna hit it solid. Oh. Yun, straight. Okay. Oh. What's that number? No, what's the number? 9? Pitching wedge. How many yards is your pitching wedge? Huh? 100? Okay. Okay. Huh? See nga if you can hit 100. Oy, nako. It's batok-tok and it's hook. Yes. Batok-tok na, hook pa. Oh, now it's a slice. Oh, go back to the practice swing. Kailangan mabilis ang downswing. Ang bagal ng downswing mo eh. Yes. Huwag mabagal ang downswing. Slow backswing, fast downswing, right? Wala, tinatamad ka na eh. Tingnan mo yung paa mo, oh. Hindi na umiikot. Hindi na umiikot yung paa mo. Palong tamad na eh. Oh, wala, batok-tok yun. Ito pa. Ikot pa yung paa mo. Sobrang ikot ng paa mo, look. Sobrang ikot. Oh. Oh, okay. There you go. Oh, ilang yards? Look at it. Ilang yards? That's straight. Ilang yards? Huh? 100? Oh, okay. You're done na. Wala na. Huwag ka na mag-sandwich. Huwag na. Okay na yan. Oh, you want to know how many yards? Ang sandwich? Oh, sige. Sandwich daw. Okay. Siguro mga ilang yards yan? Mga 60 yards yan on a full swing. Ha? Tingnan mo kung makaka 60 yards ka riyan on a full swing. Oh, naku. Wala pa yata ang 50 eh. Wala pang 50. 40 yards lang. Okay, okay. Bola miss. Oh. Try to hit it hard para umabot ng 50 man lang. Yes! Yan, 50 yards. There you go. Oh, umabot pa ng 60. Oh, ha? 60, 70 yards. Okay. You wanna choke it? Okay.